Both of the kids are sleeping right now, and I am just taking advantage of my mom time to do something fun for myself. And welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a door hanger for my front door. I wanted to do something cute and fun for the summer, and so I want to take you guys along this journey with me. Okay, so I have these really cute wooden circles. I bought a pack of these off Amazon. They're not super thick, but they are perfect for doing some cute crafts with. I had my husband drill some holes here for me. And I have this yellow ribbon. It's old if you can't tell. But it kind of goes with the vibe that I'm going for. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint this wooden piece. I think I want to do a few different colors to kind of bring in that summertime feel. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set this aside. I picked several different colors because again I want this to be really colorful and fun, and I think what I'm going to do is use these colors to kind of do like an abstract effect of like maybe a rainbow. I'm really not sure what I'm going for at this point, but we are going to try to make it work. Okay, so I realized it might be kind of hard to see. I'm really upset that my light went out literally while doing this video. But, so I wanted kind of an abstract, kind of rainbow-ish look, and I'm really liking how this is coming out. I feel like if I touch it anymore, I'm going to mess it up. So we're gonna leave it like this. It kind of reminds me of a sunset, maybe a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and let this dry. And then I'm gonna come back and put my lettering on it from my silhouette. Like, I obviously want to do a neutral color because I feel like if I do another color, it's just gonna take away from the background of it. So I'm leaning harder towards the white. I'm thinking the white is going to work a little bit better for this. But then I'm afraid that the white won't stand out. Okay, so I just want to give a little shout out to this Etsy creator, Canvas Sign Designs, because this is where I purchased this sign hanger from. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my mat because I want to make sure that this is for a 12 by 12 mat, because that is the size of the mat that I will be using. Okay, offset, but this time I'm gonna do it very, very small because I don't want it to take up a whole bunch of room. So watch, let me show you guys. So it'll look kind of like this with the white lettering, and then it'll have a black offset behind it. And I think this will kind of help my letters to stand out on my board, but it'll also give me the white that I was looking for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this as I normally do, as I've shown you guys in previous videos with cut by color. If you're interested in watching how I cut by color, you can go back on my channel. I'll try to link the videos in the description of the last couple of videos I did using my silhouette, because I use cut by color in those videos.
Drinking till we naked, talking with our tongues. We just having fun. We just having fun. Give a little piece of my meat, got somebody. Touch up on my rum pum pum, he craving that Bacardi. say. Don't make it a stringy, he's a Wi-Fi. Hit and run like I know when he come, he ain't never gonna leave. No. Hit it the night, run on, that's the way I wanna be. So don't think I'm the one to won't ever be enough. Mix until I know, bitch, I ain't the one. He don't want love. He just wanna fuck. Ow, little vacation, drink it till we naked. Talk about our tongue.
Okay, so my son is currently waking up from his nap, so we're gonna try to wrap this up as quickly as possible. But I just wanted to show you guys my favorite transfer tape that I get off of Amazon. I don't know off the top of my head what the brand is, but I love this transfer tape because it has all the little squares and it's very, very good quality. You can use the same piece multiple times. So I'm actually just gonna cut one piece of transfer tape and it'll probably work for both pieces, both my offset and my final piece. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just make my hanger part, and I'm going to use this yellow ribbon just because this is what I have on hand. And I think it's going to go well because I think it's going to kind of brighten up the darker spots, and it's going to kind of complement, oh goodness, I must have hit a not so dry spot. I think it's going to complement the rest of the colors.
Would you still be there? The weight of this is too much to bear. I'm scared to death, you don't have a clue. The walls I'm built keep on tumbling down around you. Tumbling down around you.
Really just love the way this product came out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a clip here of it on my front door. I love the colors. I think the colors are so fun and exciting, and I just love how the offset really brings out the words Hello Summer. I'm so excited that it came out this cute because, to be honest, I have very little experience as a painter, and so I did not know how my painting was gonna come out, but I think it came out really cute. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit a thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. And also, if you enjoyed this content and you like other crafting videos or organizational videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have lots of fun things planned for videos for June and July. If you're interested in seeing what we'll be doing during those months, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.